There was an old blind man.
That is guinea hen security right there. Isn't that nice? Yeah, kind of annoying. It's because we got this dog wearing a cone of shame, and so they're unsure about her. They know the dog, they just don't know the cone. Anyway, they were like noisy a lot earlier today, but now they're starting to calm down. Yeah, it makes you want to run out and get a bunch, doesn't it? Anyway, this is Melinda, and welcome to Raining in My Dystonia. Thankfully, they've quieted down. Earlier today, I thought I was going to shoot them all because they were so annoying. Anyway, our senior pup that we rescued, that I did a video on a long time ago about. Anyway, she's been having more pain, and especially in her one hip, so she keeps chewing on it, and had to finally break down and put the cone of shame on her to make her leave it alone. So she's not very happy. She's not very happy in general right now. I think we're losing her. She seems to be having more pain. Not getting around real well, so. Anyway. Isn't that nice with the guineas? Aren't they great? Makes you want to have a whole bunch, huh? Our first guineas weren't so loud all the time. Like, they were loud when it was necessary. Like if there was something, new around the property, they were good security. Seems like as we've had more guineas, they seem to get dumber and dumber. Anyway, they're good for ticks, and snakes, bugs, security, so we could keep them around. Anyway, thanks, y'all.